Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ever wondered how to organize content more cleverly in Notion? Today, I'll show you a fantastic trick, how to create columns inside a toggle block. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to neatly structure your Notion pages, mixing text, images, and more, in a way that's both dynamic and visually appealing. Whether you're building a dashboard, brainstorming ideas, or just want your notes to look cooler, this trick will help you unlock new layout possibilities, so let's dive right in. The first step is to create a toggle list. Go to the spot on your Notion page where you want this organized section and simply type /toggle list. That toggle list, hit enter. What this does is create a toggle block, which is super handy when you want to collapse or expand sections, keeping the page clean. Now you can title your toggle something relevant, maybe project overview, ideas to explore, or whatever fits your setup. Think of a toggle like a secret drawer on your desk. You can put loads of stuff inside it, but only see what you need when you need it. Next, inside the toggle block, click to start typing, then type columns. Notion will pop up a menu letting you choose how many columns you want. For this demo, let's say you pick 2 columns, which tends to be the perfect balance for notes and visuals side by side. Click 2 columns and you'll see Notion automatically set up a split layout inside your toggle, kind of like opening up that drawer and finding 2 neat trays inside. Here, where you start populating your columns. In the first column, type whatever text you need, maybe a list of tasks, a summary, a helpful explanation. It's your space to get organized. You could even add another block type, like a checklist or a heading, if you want to spice it up. This part is amazing for focusing your main ideas or written notes. Over to the second column, you have tons of flexibility. For this example, I'm going to show you how to add an image. Click into the second column, type image, and Notion will prompt you to upload a photo, link from the web, or choose from Unsplash. Maybe you add your team's logo, a diagram, or even a motivational meme. The beauty here is that you're bringing together visual and written content, side by side, all within this collapsible toggle block. It's kind of like having a mini dashboard hiding behind a single headline, super powerful, especially for presentations, planning, and collaborative work. Take a moment to adjust the layout to your liking. You can drag blocks within columns, split your content even more, or even nest toggles inside toggles for extra organization. Don't worry if things feel a bit fiddly at first. Notion's blocks are really flexible once you get the hang of dragging and dropping. And that's it really. You've now created columns inside a toggle block, which means you can keep your pages sleek, tidy, and interactive. This trick gives you way more control over the look and function of your Notion workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have questions or want to share your own Notion hacks. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a clever tip for boosting your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.